So, hello friends, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks YouTube channel. So today I will show you that how to install Zphisher in Termux Android 2025. Okay, so if you skip this video, you will not able to understand anything because all commands in this video. Okay, so before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will able to understand. Okay. By the way, I'm again and again telling you fast till end because or otherwise you will not able to understand or listen. And listen carefully. I will show 80% installation in this video. Okay. So if I show the full installation, I can get YouTube strike. Okay, so I don't want to get YouTube strike. I want to continue my YouTube channel. So without time waste, let's start the video. Same process I showed you what to do one by one. Just follow me. Okay, so first of all, when you open Termux app, you have to type apt update, then enter. So it could take a time because apt update is the update of the packages. Okay, and after that I will show you. Let me skip little part. Okay, now what you have to do after apt update, for upgrading the packages you have to type apt upgrade. Now you have to simple type y to continue. So I'm skipping little bit. So as you can see here, after finish we have to do, means you have to type apt or pkg, anything. I'm typing apt or pkg. Let me type pkg, apt or pkgi. My selection pkg. Okay, pkg install kit. It's finished. Now I will copy one link from here. Wait, from Chrome. Now I will go here. I will paste here. So before pasting, sorry, you have to type git clone. Paste. So as you can see here, it's completed. Now what you have to do, you have to type ls. Look, it's came. Now you have to type cd Zphisher. You have to copy and paste here. Then you have to click enter. As you can see, Zphisher already came. Now what you have to type? Now you have to type ls. Now for running this Zphisher, you have to type bash zphisher.sh. Then continue. Okay. So I cannot show the full video. In after this, you will get some Zphisher screen, and after then you can there will be a screen like 1 2 3. You have to click 1 to continue like this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Okay, if you like this video, please like and share to everyone this video. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.